YouTube, what it is? How's it going today, guys? So, man, I let one of my neighbors around the corner borrow my lawnmower. Just fixed it, did a video on it and everything, and he bring it back. It ain't running. And then not only did he bring it back, he brings it back with the air filter missing. I do a dual air filter on some of my machines when I make them mine. This one I have like it's a thin little filter, nothing fancy, like a guard that helps protect the actual air filter. It's this. So I run this in tangent with the air filter. It was an old air filter. I was actually going to replace it today, and I let my buddy borrow it, and he says the mower's not running right. It cuts off on him or whatnot. He fixes it. Now it doesn't run, and he brings it back, and I only have just the air filter protector, not the actual filter. And I'm like, what the hell's going on? And it doesn't run. So enough jaw jacket. Let's get this mower back together, guys. Right here, Husqvarna 700f. Man, I'm a little upset, you know. That's probably why I wasn't starting for him, because he said he took it apart and he couldn't get it back started. So let's start there. Okay. Right. Yeah, that I didn't feel a snap. Oh yeah, that doesn't snap on. Feels like it needs a new boot. Maybe it popped off. Maybe he fiddled with it. I don't know. I like to run clear filters or clear lines when I revamp good mowers, make it mine. Clear lines actually a little more pricey. All right, let's see. I know I got oil, but I'm just gonna go through the checks. Who knows what he did? Yep, got oil. All right. Look like my cord's fraying a little more. It was just one fray. Now it's two. One there and one there. So I'm gonna have to replace the cord. All right, let's see what's up. Alright, so what happened is I had the choke. Oh, see, at first it didn't stay, now it's staying, but what happened is it ran, and once the choke completely cut off, it died. So sounds like a carburetor issue. So I'm gonna remove these two bolts, turn the line off. I love an inline shut off, makes the job so much easier. Remove the fuel line right here and a little bit of linkages, and we're good to go. little crud in there. Yeah, this old school carb right here, this thing heavy. It's been a while since I played with these guys. After you pull your little retaining pin, your butterfly valve and your seat pin. If you have a screwdriver small enough, you can go in there and get that out. I don't. It's a good practice. And just carb clean like you would any other in there, in all the holes and, you know, the usual. All right, we got that clean, guys. Now we're gonna put the 3 pieces back together. Our little seat pin right here. This one's a little different. You gotta put it in first and then put your retaining pin in. Like so. And if you want to test it, then we're good to go. Now repeat the process and throw it back on. Putting it back together is a little tricky. Put your Z-bar in, make sure this is your choke mechanism. Make sure that's out your way. I hate putting these back together because you got this hard plastic that goes up on here. Then you have your actual gasket that goes on there. It's just all right. Like so, okay. Fuel line on. And then you have to put this here on. You know, it has so many gaskets, man. Okay. And then you have to put your rear airbox cover on. It's just okay. There, okay. And make sure you move your choke out the way, all the way to the right. Okay, there we go. Let's get something started. Yep, choke's working. Open the fuel up. I didn't put the little lock on. You really don't need it. If I do need any leaks, I will tighten it, but a lot of times they warp onto the nipple to where you don't even need it. All right, there we go. Choke her out. It's choking. All right, come on, baby, start from there. All right, I put the airbox cover on. Okay, I see what's happening. The issue is the choke is closing out too far. Okay, we're gonna get this thing started. Okay, when the choke goes, it dies out. The choke's not staying put. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, the choke's supposed to stay put until it warms up. Stays running, but the choke is supposed to, I'm not supposed to have to hold that. Yeah, the whole point of the choke, the auto choke, this setup is I choke it out, start it, it runs, gets to speed, cut off. But no biggie, I'm gonna leave it as is. As long as it cuts, it does what I need, because I'm actually keeping this for me. I planned on fixing everything and selling it, but I like it. So thanks for coming. Spot you in the next one.